Insta360 has officially announced the Flow 2, a compact smartphone gimbal designed to bring high-end video stabilization and smart tracking features to a wider audience. Following the footsteps of its predecessor, the Flow 2 builds on the core strengths of the original, adding AI tracking, faster setup, and lower price tag to make it more appealing for creators. This second generation model features 3-axis stabilization for buttery smooth footage, even when walking or panning quickly, which Deep Track 4.0 Flow 2 now supports more accurate subject tracking and includes new multi-person tracking for group shots. Thanks to NFC one-tap shooting on supported phones, you can skip Bluetooth pairing and instantly access the Insta360 Alpha. Android uses the gimbal can automatically launch the phone's native camera when unfolded. The built-in selfie stick and tripod makes it suitable for vlog calls and family events, and the 10-hour battery life is capable of charging your phone while shooting. Creators will also benefit from Pro Framing Grid, which uses Insta360's golden ratio tech to optimal framing angles. Remote control via Apple Watch or second smartphone ensures no one is left out, while an optional Insta360 mic or accessories and app teleprompter make it very easy to film high quality video. The Flow 2 introduces AI tracking for use with third-party apps and include a built-in spotlight for better low-light performance. After shooting, Insta360's AI editing suite can polish footage automatically, ideal for quick social uploads. For more advanced shooting, you have the Flow 2 Pro, which offers extra hardware like tracking, ring light, selfie mirror, transparent motor housing, and exclusive models such as 360 infinite pan tracking and free tilt mode. It comes with a 1100 built-in battery. The selfie stick length is 207 mm. Its weight is approximately 348 grams for the gimbal and 25 grams extra for the magnetic hold. The Flow 2 starts with a price of $109 for the standard bundle and $130 for the bundle including the AI tracking. Both versions can be now bought via Insta360 official mode. The Flow 2 Pro seems more geared for the Apple ecosystem. This is mainly meant for Android.